M0FXB, welcome to my channel. Just going to show you my Pi-Star MMDVM setup for my YAESU FT3D. So right now you can see it in the screen. It's got on the bottom half, I've got HubNet on an all-star node, so that's completely separate on FM. But on the top half, I'm connected to my Jumbo hotspot, which is for Fusion. MMDVM board run by the Pi-Star system. So the first thing you've got to remember is definitely make sure you've got your call sign in the radio, because it definitely won't work on Fusion C4FM without your ham call sign in the radio. Otherwise, you're just setting up a simplex channel. There's no tone required, no shift, unless you're using a repeater. If you're using a repeater, that's different. But for just a hotspot that's at home, it's just simplex. So as you can see now, I'm connected to FCS00460, which I use as a starting point, and I can move around rooms as I please using Pi-Star or the radio, and I'll show you how. So you can see my frequency here, TXRX is there, and that would be different if it was a repeater. It says YSF, and you can see these are where it says call sign list. These are the stations that have been coming in, and it also shows you when you're connected, and it shows your local connection. So here at the bottom where it says local RF activity, that'll be me connecting. So what we're going to do, we're going to hit the X button. On the FT3, you literally just push it once, and you heard that noise where it's connected. Now, I can go to, by turning the knob, actually on these it's a touch screen, so I forgot about that. So with the touch screen, I can either touch search and direct, or I can touch HubNet. So let's just, if I got think of it, HubNet so busy, if I go on there, I'll be stuck on there. So we'll go search and direct. Now, these are pre-recorded rooms here in the category section, and there's another, I've made a video on how to do that. But for now, let's just hit all. Just using the touch screen. And it'll load up where you can go, and then go down, choose one you like. So let's go down to, with the volume, with the channel changing knob here at the top. I'll just scroll down, and then let's just touch CQ UK, and then it will connect, and you'll see when it connects, you'll see on Pi-Star, so we have connected, you'll see on Pi-Star that I'm now, it now says here, look bottom left here where I'm circling, CQ UK. So I'm now in the CQ UK room. Let's just have a quick look. So yeah, all looks good. So I could talk to someone now if I want. Now I can see the add button. If I want, you can look at the news, but you can add this room into either a new category or an existing category. So if I added it, say, into C3, which I haven't named yet, and you can name the categories, you just tap it. And there you are. It's been added in there now. So go back as a shortcut. The idea is you've got a shortcut. Now, if you want to come out of the CQ room, just hold the X. There you go. And possibly, if you hold down the band button, you will disconnect completely. Let's just try it. No, maybe not. Maybe it did when I was connected. So because I did connect. Anyway, I'm not really sure. I know that the band button does do something. But anyway, the main thing is I've showed you my configuration. So it's simplex, MMDVM, YSF mode. We've got OLED screen selected, and I can see in the distance my little OLED screen flashing away, which is the black and blue small one. Call signs in. It says Pi-Star DMR there, but you can put in what you like in the host name. M0FXB, the DMR ID, you don't need it, but it's in there. I've got the radio frequency in there. We've got the location. You don't have to have that. You can add here more location details. You can add a URL. You can hear someone having a chat there on CQ UK. Look, FCS 460. So if you want to change using Pi-Star, just do the drop-down list, select what you want, click Apply Changes, and it will move to that room. So you can change rooms using the radio, and you can use Pi-Star. And then just going down, I haven't really changed any of these. And yeah, at the bottom here, you can change your Wi-Fi settings. If you're connected via your network connection, it's here you can configure your Wi-Fi. Just click configure Wi-Fi and then just put in your username and password. So put it on dashboard, and then we'll have a little listen to M0GSX and G0DUQ.
Nice audio, nice and clear, mate. Lovely audio coming through. G0DUQ, M0GSX, over.
From G0DUQ, Paul, you threw me for a minute. You really threw me for a minute. Lovely to hear you. And sorry for all the... I was engrossed in what I was doing. And then you called and threw me a little bit. Lovely.
So there you go. They're having a nice chat. And look, if I go to the B band, this is a dual receive radio. It's connected to my All-Star node, which is FM analog, and that will work simultaneously with my Pi-Star hotspot. And I find that an excellent way to use the FT3. And so what I might do is show another little video just showing me using both. But for now, this was about the FT3D Pi-Star setup, going on to Fusion using the radio or Pi-Star, and just reminding you have to get your call sign in the radio or it won't work on Fusion. So 7.3, drop me any help you want, drop me an email. And if you like my channel, please subscribe, and 7.3.